Yeah, so I have here this Ford Fiesta and I want to show you how to replace the bulb for the rear turning signals and also the brake signal, because that's actually the same bulb. So here in this case you can see here the turning signal for the left side. The bulb is burned out, so I have to replace it. So first I open up the trunk here, and you see here under this little carpet that's actually a cover which we can just easily pull aside. See, I'm just peeling this off, and then you see here this little plastic nut. It's pretty big, so we want to remove that, and we just use our hand here. Because it is so big, we can easily unscrew this by hand. Just take this all out, make sure you don't lose it, put it aside to a safe spot, and then we can pull out on the outside. We can pull out this assembly here. So we pull it to the back and then sideways, because there's a little plastic nipple here on the side and the front side there that we want to make sure we don't accidentally break this off. Now we remove the light bulb by twisting here the socket here counterclockwise just a little bit, and then we pull it out, and here we see the light bulb that we want to replace. We just pull this out, just pull it straight out, and then here you can see the type of bulb that we want to have, the 3157K. That's what we need here. And here I'm already plugging this in here, 3157K, and you just put it back into position and rotate it clockwise just a little bit until it clicks in position. Make sure it's firm in there, and then we put the assembly back in place. Make sure that this plastic pin here is going into the little rubber hole there, and then we just hold with the left hand the assembly in place, in position. We push it all the way in, and then with the right hand here I am putting the plastic nut back on. So I'm just screwing it on real tight, not over tighten it so we don't screw up the thread, which is pretty hard to do. But then we are already done. Okay, yeah, so I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, then please leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.